This video is especially related. This video I appreciate you and bring the look back at Sheraton. Also the mention of state basically of security lights. So they will be doing what we call like demarcation of the places, and also we footwear will be doing what we call like the stands. So make sure subscribe to this YouTube channel. My good name is Claude Joseph, and sure you check me out on YouTube if you haven't, and also share this with your friends, and I really appreciate your love and support. Right now we are much happy that also our plants are coming out slowly by slowly, and also the good work of our Almighty God for granting us this day again, or this opportunity to see this beautiful and great day. So yesterday on the previous video you saw we went to do what we call like shopping about the metallic bars. They're called metallic black pipe, very heavy, durable, and they are all weather. So we bought also some stuffs like the grinding disc and the cutting disc, so that we can put them in a very nice position. So I'm shooting this video from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa, and this is how you see. Over here I planted some nantes, other people call them carrots. Oh wow, and I can see they are coming out well and nice. You know, the good thing with this is that these nantes, you have to plant them in a row and one like this. I know we will not be able to see them here because they are very tiny, because they're coming out. So this day today I'll be heading there to the orphanage, go check on some little project that we are doing over there, and I'm really urging you guys, if you also have to chip in something small. So these are the poles. So we did some reinforcement of this, the way you see this metals over here. They were doing this in a different way, like this side and this side. So as I told you earlier, that this one, even if a thief come, not unless he come with a cutting disc and cut this one, but when they are deep down, they will never be shaked. So all the way we have to preserve them here. So he did like 1 2 3 4 5, so they remained 3 of them, which is coming to finish today. Then we'll be doing what we call like doing the installation of the lights and the solar, and then we'll be ferrying them from here to the orphanage. So you can check how tall they are. So this is what we call the arm. This is what we call the arm. This one and this one is so different, and the thickness of this and this one is so different, but they're all called black pipe. This is 1.5 inch and this is a 1/2 inch. You know, very strong. So even if somebody is coming maybe to steal here, he will not, and they will not. You know, these ones, they have what you call like a sensor lights, so you can automate them to an extent that they can feel the what we call like the motion. We call them motion sensor. So at night they just light up like, you know, something like that. So I'm here with my beautiful motorbike, and this is how our beautiful compound is. So I want to rush there and go check on Mama Esther, Pastor Esther, so that she can also show us where this light will be done, so that we can start doing what we call like digging up the holes. Our kales are really smiling because I sprayed some chemical here, and those aphids really died. They really died. You see, like this one was really dying up. You see, it had some aphids like these ones, but for now they are no longer here. You know, they were eating these kales like this. You see here, they were eating these ones. I'm so much happy that my dragon fruit is also growing slowly by slowly, and that's how it's supposed to be. This one is the only one which have a lot, but they are falling down. Look, Those black things you see there, they're aphids in kales or sukuma wiki. Yeah, so let's go there and come back to check on the fabricator, how he's working over here, so that we can see what's happening slowly by slowly. So our motorbike and everything, let's go. So I'm heading to the orphanage right now, and it's the journey, slowly by slowly heading there, and you see how stuffs are. So let's continue slowly by slowly. We check. Safi Jomba. That's how we greet each other. Safi Jomba. So let's go check what's up. Safi Jomba. Let's go check what's happening on the other side. Then we will be back. Alright? Okay guys. Heading home. I'm heading home. Tell the world that I'm going home. I'm going home, heading home. Tell the world that I'm going home. It's early morning here, as you see, and that's how it is. Let's go. Yeah, so have a hospital right here. So there's a hospital down here. This is the nearest hospital. It's actually not even a hospital, it's a dispensary called Nyasese Dispensary. Yeah. So this is a school. Most of the kids, the big kids study here. This is the school. It's called Nyasese School. It's a primary school right here. This is where most majority of the kids, the bigger kids that are maybe in grade 6 plus, they study here, you know. And the orphanage is just right in front of us, you know. It's terrain area, so right in front of us right there. I don't know if you can see because I'm riding. That's the orphanage over there. So most of the big kids, some studied in different schools, but majority studied in that school that I've shown you there, called Nyasese. And definitely that's the hospital or a dispensary that most of them usually come. So it's strategically located for even expansion, because there's a huge land over here that can facilitate what you call like farming for the orphanage and other things. The land is so big there for even expansion and everything. Those guys came for the firewood. And we have this river here. It's a very nice for meditation. Most people come to wash here, as you see. Oh, let's go. People are not land, they are farming. So in a few minutes we'll be there, and we'll be doing the demarcation of we'll be doing the demarcation of security lights. Very nice. Hey, this road was constructed just the other day, but this point, see, this place they always stuck here. this side. Just like that, we are here at Noah's boat. You see there's some poles. Those are the electric poles, but no wires. They go up to the town. You see another one is here. This is another electric pole, but no wire. There's also another electric pole there, but no wire. So let us be here and we see. Just arrived here and the kids are playing. It's a break time actually, and I met Mama Esther and we want to do the lighting. Mom,
yeah, for sure.
Good morning.
Thank you. I'm so happy to receive you again.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you.
You are just an angel sent by God.
Thank you so much, Mom.
For sure.
Yeah.
Be free to
Yes.
be here with me.
Yes.
And it's my prayer that we are going to work together with you.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Welcome, Noah's boat.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes.
Yeah, from the yesterday's live that we did,
Yeah.
so I was like, I have to unveil myself here,
Sure.
so that we can do what we call like, you show me, because this is your home, it's our home, and you being the leader, I cannot do something without asking you. So it's I want you to show me where we would put first light, second light, third light, until the 8th light. Those are the security lights, because here at night, even kids, it's very dark and kids cannot go even to the latrines and others out to the toilets, because there are some who are down there, there are some who are here, there are some who are this side of the side. So it's very hard for them to come from that side all the way to the latrines here.
And the other toilets for
Yes.
the boys just down there.
It's down, deep down. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you'll be showing me this is the place we'll be putting, and also you can give yourself a shout out for the audience who are watching. Maybe one can subscribe. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
My name is Pastor Esther
Yes.
from Kanyutu, and I really appreciate for my son Claude Joseph to be here this morning with me. I really thank God, and I want to say thank you for every donor who is just sacrificing her or himself to stand with this orphanage. May God bless you so much, and please, it's my prayer that we join our hands together and work together. It's good, because when we share, we say that sharing is caring. It's good to continue sharing the need of these kids, and then we need to give them that care from our hearts.
Absolutely.
So I'm so happy, and I welcome you all. Feel at home.
Yes.
This is your house of refuge,
Absolutely.
and this is where we are raising these lives of these kids.
Yes.
There are many.
Yeah.
It's break time. They just came just
Out
to
for porridge.
get some porridge,
Yes.
and then go back to the class.
Absolutely, ma'am.
I'm so happy.
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
God bless you.
Yes.
Welcome now.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. This is Noah's Boat House of Refugee. For the YouTube channel, it's Noah's Boat
Noah's boat.
House of Refuge. Absolutely.
I put it that because the kids that raised here,
Yes.
all of them, they are not Kenyan.
Yes.
We have Sudanese.
Yes.
We have from Burundi.
Yes.
We have from Tanzania.
Yes.
And even from Uganda.
Absolutely.
The government correct those kids from everywhere in any town.
Yes.
Migori,
Yes.
Ihanja, Isibania,
Yes.
Mera, and
Rongo.
And they brought them here.
Oh,
they,
wow.
They gave me that chance to just to give them rescue.
Absolutely.
That's why I call it
House of
Noah's Boat Children's Home and Rescue Center.
Yes.
That is my certificate.
Yes.
Under my name, Esther Kanyutu. And the channel of YouTube is Noah's Boat House of Refuge.
House of Refuge.
Yeah.
Alright. So where we are standing right here, it's going to be a better position also for the light to portray it. Maybe this side over here it can
Go even to
yeah,
the
like
toilet
to the toilets, yeah.
and to the end of
After
that
the end.
brown house.
So you're preferring it here?
Yeah.
Okay, because that one is very tall, very, very tall. It will go up to that side.
Yeah, it can be so good.
Yes,
To like
up down here. So maybe right here with the first position.
yes.
So just
You put it just here.
no, here it will be just in there. Here, so right here it will be better,
And go up there.
and it should go up.
Yeah.
So right here is the first position.
Yeah.
So guys, we are doing the demarcation of
In the middle here.
in the middle.
Yes.
Okay, in the middle. So in the middle.
Yeah.
So this will be the first position. So just like to show the people where it will be, and you will assign some boys.
Yeah.
There's some workers here, right?
Yeah, we have one guy.
Yes.
Was helping me to weed.
To weed.
Vegetable.
That's a very good. That's very good. So you start digging up a hole that will. I don't know if I can show you. I want to do something here. A hole that will go like
a circle.
Like a circle, like this, because you know it has hooks.
Yes.
I want a radius of let me say a circumference of
Hooks too.
of 1 foot. Yeah, circumference futi moja ama futi moja na nusu.
Upana.
Round hivi upana. Na chini iende futi mbili na nusu. Yeah, futi mbili na nusu means 2.5 feet downwards.
Yes.
So that, because you know they have hooks like these ones, and we need, when we do it this way, we are not going to return the soil.
Yeah, for sure.
We are going to do what we call like to reinforce it with concrete. Ndio ikuwe ngumu. Hata watoto wakicheza cheza juu. Some days we will raise a flag even from here, saying North Boat flag.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so
good.
right here, number 1.
Yeah.
So number 2.
The number 2.
Yes.
Can be here for them to get the night.
So
we are going to that dormitory and
oh,
the dining here.
okay. So number 2, it can be maybe at the corner here.
Here, right in this way.
Oh, okay. So number 2, it can
be here.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Number 2, it can be even somewhere here.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
Everybody may be washing the dishes here.
Yes. Yeah.
And the one that's going to the dining area.
Yes. Right here. Let's see. You know that one is it will be up. It will be up. So maybe we can put it even here. Juu iko juu, ma'am. It's past these ions.
Yeah.
So we can put it even right here. And yeah, so number 2 will be here.
Yes.
Aki ma'am, please, nikikuja kesho maybe when mpate wamechimba.
For sure, yes.
So somewhere like here.
Yeah.
I wish we could be having pegs. Tunapigilia kabisa. Acha niangalie. Let me look for pegs. Or a stone like this. Like that.
Yeah.
So I'll just look for pegs we put, and that will be going on. So this number 2, it will light this side even when we be going to the dormitory. It will be better. Also it will light hata mwenye atakuta anatokea kwa fence anaogopa. So this one will be going downwards. That one there. So let's go the other side. Also we can see how it will be. Hey, this is what's the name of the dog? Queen.
See this one?
Yes.
The mother to this.
Yes.
One driver came with a car and hit the head of the mother of this
sorry.
Died.
Oh.
This one,
yes.
They were inside the stomach.
The stomach.
I asked the girl to give me the scissor. I opened the womb and I removed these 5 of them. I was giving them milk like a baby.
Okay.
5 of them. And people came stole 4.
4.
It's made that one.
Wow.
But now it has given us another one.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So also another one can be in the center or at the corner.
It's just here.
Yes.
So that it can be lightening like this. So even the boys down there,
yeah.
They can get that.
So that's number 3. You know there are 8, ma'am. So this one will be too much to the. Itakuwa karibu na nyumba sana. Maybe
okay,
we can put it at the middle here. Yeah. Yeah. You can put it at the corner here. You can put it even here. Yeah. Or yeah, hata hapa kwa kona. Ndio imulike hivi. Hatu yake hapa. Hapa penye watu wanasibe. Aiziba iko juu. Yeah, so you can put it at the corner, maybe at the center here. Yeah, here. So that it can this one will be maybe like 200 watts, I think. Yeah. So that it can brighten downwards all the way. You know, and also some will be setting them to be censored. Yeah. The one that maybe anything they sense itamulika. Yeah. So number 3 will be here.
Let me put this I'm calling the guy to come.
Yeah. Anachimba tu shimo around. Yeah. Just right there. Yeah.
Because there is a pipe there.
Oh, there's a pipe. Okay. Right there.
Yeah, itapiga.
Itamulika kabisa. So it will be set. Hata jua inasetiwa tu. The solar will be vile jua inaenda. Yeah. So this one number 3. So we're just doing the demarcation of this and everything. So guys, that was number 3. We have 5 to go. 5 poles to go. Pole number 5. So ile itamulika kutoka there to this side. So we have pole number, and we want to put them in a strategic place where even so yes. So this one it can be tuiweke hapa. So maybe I thought inaweza kaa inaweza yako huko hapa kando hivi.
Ile itamalizia mwanga kwa hii nyumba.
So because ma'am, why I'm saying that one can bring light.
Yeah.
But it will not be sufficient to this side. It will be sufficient only to the rooms here or to the washrooms. So I was suggesting, because if we put a light there behind here, it should be dark. So it's better we put at the pole here. So a place like this, over here, all here, so that it can portray towards this side. You know.
Yeah.
So maybe we can put here. What do you think?
Itakuwa sawa.
Here.
Yes.
And you know it goes up.
Yeah.
It goes up. So over here. No. That's kimuliki memulika. Yeah. So you can put that number.
Anaweza panda juu ya mtu.
Hajifiche huko.
So wanaenda, unaona choo kwenye ziko ndio zile huko.
Ziko huko, yeah.
Ukienda huko wanarepiwa tu hapo.
Yeah. So number 4 it will be here.
Yeah, let me put something like
Iko kwa corner. Tu hata kija chimbia any place, but as long as it's at the corner here. Here.
For sure, yes.
Right here. Guys, we are doing the demarcation right there. Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, ma'am. So
Hata usiku anaweza kaa hapa.
yeah, so just right there, it will be lighting the other side.
I'm coming, baby.
Hi. So at the gate here, that's my motorbike.
Yeah.
Yes. At the gate here, we can put one. So because that is 4, we can put one there, near the tank there. Pale karibu na mchanga. Imulike hivi. Yeah. So tunaweza weka moja, jile ingine inamulika hivi. We can put another one. Maybe let's come and see. We can put one nyuma ya hii. Kuja nayo mama. Si huku nyuma tujaweka. Kuna ile huko tutaweka hii hapa. We have 4 to go. So we can come put one here. So one will be, let's put here. What do you think? Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, here. It can. Yeah. Yeah, so that's number 5. Yes. That's number 5. So let's come here again. We check on this one. That was number 5. So I think another one can be right here, right? Ama tuiweke pale. What do you think? Hapa hivi. So hapa hivi karibu na nini? Hapo ni karibu sana na nini? So we can put it hii tunaweza kuja tuislash kidogo. We can put it here. So that it kanaweza mulika towards the dormitory. Yeah. So here. Let's put it here, ma'am. Ama hapo kuna mtaro.
Kulikuwa na kitu imechimbiwa, imekorolewa, kuku zinakunywa maji.
Oh, so we can.
Lakini panaweza chimbwa tu.
Okay.
Imulike hivi.
So you can put it here again or here, but somewhere here in the middle. Put even that sleep. Yeah. So this one here is number 6. So we have 2 to go. Hizo mbili tunaweza. Yeah. Inamulika. Yes. So that's number 6. So we have 2 to go. Let's try and see how we'll do this. Okay. Nyuma ya nyumba. From which side?
Lakini pia hapo tangeweka iongeze mwanga hapo kwenda kwa gate kwa kuna mtu anaingia unamuona kwa mbali.
In the middle. Sawa, weka moja huko. Yeah. Yeah. So you can take this stone. Let me take this now. We can put it in the middle. So it can be here. So this one here.
Yeah.
So it's yes.
Ama wakienda kusiaga kama ni jioni.
Yes. It can go this way.
Wanaenda kwa choo pale.
Yeah.
Wanapata mwanga. Na wenye wanalala huko wanapata mwanga.
Okay. So we have one to go. Let's go put a corner. Okay, guys. And I love the fact that you are planting trees, ma'am. Miti. And then tukupanda miti. Ukipata avocado weka. Ukipata mti. Yes. Yeah. What I'm trying to tell her is that I love the fact that she is planting a lot of trees around, which are really doing it good, because trees can usually protect this. You know, these are mud houses. You call them bulletproof houses. These are bulletproof houses. It can be here. Yeah, this side. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So over here we can have another one. Yeah, 8 to support the light towards the side. Okay. So these are bulletproof houses, guys. When I tell you bulletproof house, we mean a mud house made with poles and smeared with cement, and yeah, and smeared with cement, and that's how it is. So this used to be dormitory some days.
It was a dormitory.
Yes.
And then we started doing like the first time it was my house.
Your house, yeah. I remember these houses. Yes.
I was staying here, and it was like me and the big girls.
Yes.
But now we just put it like one class.
One class, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, or I thought, ma'am, the toilet. Or I thought maybe that light could be somewhere here. Yeah, that light, the final one. So 8 ile tutaitoa huko, then ile taserve huko, alafu nyingine ikuje muliki hapa kwa kona. So we can put it here, ndio ihang. Inaweza mulika tu hapa. Itamulika, it just hang like this. Itamulika hii side yote. So we can put it somewhere here. Yeah. Also, yeah, so itakaa here. What I want to say is, if we put a pot, but there maybe a neighbor can run from there and cut the chuma when you are asleep. Let it be here. So here, itachimbiwa hapa, iende juu imulike this side. Yes. Yes. No, beach is okay. The light mwanga inapita popote.
So this is the toilet that they are coming every night.
Every night.
From
Up there to this side.
Very far.
Yeah. So hopefully now their confidence will build up. And I wanna go back, guys. Go check on. Yes, there. Isingie ndani sana. Tuiweke kuja huku. Like there, so that mtu asiruke na hiyo ashike. Yeah. But I believe like those one, you know, it's very tall, very tall, man. Yeah, nimulika mwizi. Yeah, so I'll be heading back, guys, and I'll be doing what we call like yeah. No, hapa tuko sawa, ma'am. Tuko tu sawa hapa. Yeah, so we were doing some demarcation. Yes, ma'am.
The other one there.
Yes. One here. So huku utatoa ile ya utatoa ile, no, utatoa ile completely. Ile utaitoa. Utaiwekea sehemu kama hapa. So ile huko ibaki tu penye ilikuwa. Hii tundu inatoka. Hii niweka karibu na tank. Ikuje sehemu kama hii imulike hivi. Yeah. So here, guys, 1 2 3 yeah, 4 5 yeah, 6 7 8. Yeah, so there are 8. So guys, we are waiting for the solar and the lights. That's what we are here so that we can put them here. I can bring them here. Maybe they can take some days or 2 or 3 days, because the metals are there. The only challenge is that we're waiting for the funds who will donate so that we can get the lights. But the money that I was sent, I only remained with 4,300.
Come.
Kuja uchukue hizi vikombe, the 4,300, which we're waiting for that we can add and we bring the lights.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, guys. So I'll be heading back. This
And
is
I
Mama.
have 900. I'm going to sell
9,000, yeah. 9,000, yeah. So, and that will be very, very much okay. So let's go there, and some days we'll be seeing here. Even from home, I'll be showing you that. Do you see where the lights are coming from?
Yeah.
That's at the orphanage. Those days back when you started, there used to be a lot of lights, but nowadays the batteries died and everything. Used to be a lot of lights.
You see
Yeah.
the CCTV.
Yeah, like that
They're
one.
not working now.
Yeah. So guys,
Light was everywhere.
everywhere.
But
Yeah.
the batteries died. That is like 17, 18 years
Ago,
ago.
yeah.
207 up to now.
It's a lot. So
Then
many
the
years.
battery is not
Yeah,
working.
yeah. So guys, let me head back home. I'm going to have the mason, no, the fabricator, so that we can finish the work. All right, ma'am. Thanks for having me.
Happy.
And
Oh, thank you.
yes, let's
Thank you
work
so much.
and we
This
see.
is your home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, make it to be your home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So I just came actually at the orphanage here in Northport, and I want to check on the work that it was given, and I see it's well done. I'm here with Pastor Esther. Yes, good
How are you,
morning.
my son?
Thank
God
you.
bless you. Good
Yeah,
morning.
yes,
Welcome, Northport.
yes. Again, we are
So
here.
happy to welcome you.
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
for
So we are here. Just came to check on these holes that were to be dug. So we wanted a hole like this down. So ataziongeza kidogo tena.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's. So this is number one. There's another one that was number two was here. Juju, you can come with us. Also, this is an electrician. We are with him here. We're waiting for another electrician who can come so we can do the quotation of the wiring, and we see how everything is. So on this side there was also another one. So alikuwa na shimo tu, chuma nzuri. Alikuwa na chuma mzuri. So I'm saying that he was having a very nice crowbar. You know, this is a crowbar. So angechimba tu shimo. This is the whole place is very nice. So I want it achimbue kabisa. Then by that time chuma itakuja simame hivi, tuweke mawe, we reinforce it with concrete, then it should be better. So this is hole number 2. This light will be lighting towards this end, this side, because this is the dining area. And also the kitchen, as you see, also it's not in a good condition, but hopefully some days things will work out. Yeah, this is their dining area. This is their dining area. So this one light will actually make light towards this end, because this will be the dormitory, where the dormitory for boys.
And this is where they're eating.
This is where they're eating, the what we call like the dining.
Yeah,
So yeah, number 2, and then all the way. Leo githeri kwa salama. Yeah, so when I say today is githeri, which means today they're going to eat githeri. Githeri is a mixture of beans and maize. So when it's the mix of beans and maize, it goes on well. So we call it githeri. Let me know in the comment section how do you call it actually at your place. So just conversing this, and we see what's happening also on the other end. So also there are some of the mattresses that we need what we call like mattress covers, because when we need the mattress cover, the leather one, the ones that usually have the cushions for seats, we call them car seats, the leather car seats. So that one, even when the kids urinate, we protect the mattress. So hopefully that one also we take it into consideration. But for now, let us focus on one thing at a time. We'll check on what's happening. There's a lot to be done here. So also we have this one here. It's hole number 3. So this one will help to portray all the light towards down here and this other side. So it's well strategically located, this side and this one. Kazi nzuri mama. So itaongezwa tena. Yeah, itaongezwa chini. So itaongezwa, which means they'll add down. So just come confirm here, and then we finish our video actually from home. Yeah, so that's it, and it will be done downwards. So that one Over here we have one, and it's very tall up.
Yes.
So it will show more light. So let's continue. The kids are at break time. Watoto sasa? Mko poa? Haya. So we have this one over here also. This is the fourth hole in which should be also be dug. Itaongezwa tena kidogo, futi 2.5 mama. Hata inaweza pita ifike 3 kwenda chini. It will be better. Also this place, you know, it's a hidden area. So this light is supposed to be here so that it can also portray light towards this end and also this end. So let's go to the other side. We show you where the another light is. So that is hole number 4. Okay, let's check also on the other one. And these are the classrooms. There's also toilets over here. Yeah, so this is hole number 5 also. Itaongezwa tena kwenda chini mama. Itaongezwa tu kwenda chini. Asichimbe tena sasa zaidi kubwa hivi. Achimbe tu kwenda chini also. 2.5 feet ama 3, it will be better. Yeah, so this one also will be portraying light towards down end, also to the gate, all the way to the gate. So we had another one. We were supposed to put one light here, but we said no because this one in the middle will help. Yeah, so we decided to we decided to put another light here. So pia itaongezwa kwenda chini. This is 6th pole, right?
Yes.
Or number 6.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is 7, 4, 5.
This is number 6.
Number 6. Yeah, this is number 6. So this one have to be also itaongezwa chini kidogo. So this one will also help towards this end. This is also boys dormitory, so it will help this side. Yeah, so let's go to the other side. So we were trying to put number 7. We were trying to put this where there's kind of hidden areas. When there's dark, you know, when there's darkness around here, it really kills. Yeah, it also kills the confidence of kids also to go outside. But we thank God we are managing to put it them, and we see. So also guys, we have over number 7. We decided to put it just right here. This one, it will be also be added downwards. So, yeah, so this one also will help to put light towards this end, this side. So we are really trying to concentrate on all sides so that no thief can pass through. Even if they are coming, they'll be seen. Yeah. This is number 8. This one over here. So this one also itaongezwa chini kabisa, chini iende kabisa chini, sababu hii niko barabarani. I'm trying to say this one will be going deep down so that it can be strong, because it's actually at the roadside. So this one will point this side. Yeah, no one can enter that side. Alright guys, let's go and finish. We're finishing this here, and we see how it is. Alright, it's just an update on how everything is. The holes have been dug. Yeah, so just arrived home, found from the Duke has already welded this. I found he has already welded this, and this is how you see. He has already welded this. So we are waiting only for the solar that will come. The solar will also sit on top of this all the way to this side, and this side is for the light. They are very, very, very tall on this side. Yeah, so, and also we have the paint, this paint. So afterwards we'll paint them. So we are only waiting for the solar and the lights, and that one, which means we have remained with only 4,300 for this, and we are now waiting only. If you want to donate, you can now buy the solars or the lights. They look like this. Imagine like this one, it's 30 watts. This one looks 30 watts, you know, but this is electric. This one is electric. It has a sensor. This is called DP light. That one is electric, so we need the solar ones. 50 watts, 200 watts, 100 watts with Vivati. And you know they have different, what we call, like, prices. Yeah, so let's wait and see. Maybe on the next video I'll be updating you the final stage of maybe putting up the solar and transporting them. Maybe I want that the same day we are transporting them there, we hook them down, we plant them down. Yeah, so I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate your love and support. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel at Claude Joseph, and also show some love to Noah's Boat House of Refuge. Shooting this video here from home, and let's wait for Fundi Duke and we see what's happening. So yesterday he did what we call, like, he welded or he fabricated 5 of them, and today he's fabricating only 3, which means if we could have the solar and everything today we could have finished this work. Yeah, so let's pray and know that things will work out. Be blessed, and bye bye guys. Bye.